Most people think building passive income requires thousands of dollars in startup capital or a specialized degree in software engineering, but they are completely wrong. In 2026, the global digital economy has leveled the playing field. In fact, thousands of everyday individuals are quietly generating thousands of dollars a month using nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. In this video, we are breaking down the exact blueprints for 5 passive income streams. You can start today from anywhere in the world with zero experience. Blueprint number 1 is selling digital templates. Millions of business owners and students globally use apps like Notion, Canva, and Excel daily. But they don't have time to build layouts from scratch. By creating niche templates like social media content planners, budget trackers, or project managers, you build the asset once, upload it to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, and sell it an infinite number of times. The best part? It costs $0 to create, and your customer base is completely global. Blueprint number 2 is high-ticket affiliate marketing. Standard affiliate marketing pays you pennies for recommending cheap products. High-ticket affiliate marketing focuses on software, cloud hosting, or digital business tools that charge a monthly subscription. When you recommend a tool through a free tutorial or a review, the company pays you a recurring commission every single month that the user stays active. Just 50 active users on a $20 monthly commission translates to a stable, passive $1,000 a month. Blueprint number 3 is automated content facilitation. This involves building faceless media assets just like this YouTube channel. By utilizing free AI tools to organize research, layout structures, and generate studio-quality voiceovers, you can build an educational or entertainment channel in high-paying niches like finance or technology. Once your library of evergreen videos builds up, YouTube's partner program pays you automatically via global ad revenue 24 hours a day while you sleep. Blueprint number 4 is print on demand. Traditional e-commerce requires buying thousands of dollars of inventory and worrying about shipping. Print on demand completely eliminates that risk. You simply upload a clean, text-based graphic design to platforms like Printful or Teespring. When a customer from the US, Europe, or Asia buys your product, the platform prints it, packages it, and ships it to them automatically. You keep the profit margin without ever touching a physical product. Blueprint number 5 is AI prompt packs. Companies everywhere are trying to use AI to save time, but they don't know how to write effective prompts. If you learn how to master prompts for engineering, marketing, or copywriting, you can package those exact text strings into a digital guidebook. Selling curated prompt bundles on platforms like PromptBase or your own simple landing page is one of the newest, fastest-growing passive income models in existence today. Building passive income isn't about luck. It's about choosing a blueprint and executing it consistently. The digital world has no borders, and the opportunity is completely equal. If you are ready to stop trading hours for money, hit the subscribe button to unlock your next financial blueprint. To learn exactly how to get started on your first asset today, click on the video on your screen right now. We'll see you there.